Hey everybody, welcome to Brytn's World of Curls. What is the concoction this time? We are using Pattern. I am so excited to try this. This is freshly washed hair. No, I did not use the shampoo and conditioner from Pattern. I do have it, but I didn't try it this time. I am picking out my hair. Look at this huge pick from Pattern. Oh my Lord, I am in love. Anyway, I know we're supposed to do our products on soaking wet hair, so I will be wetting my hair very shortly. Do y'all see this poof ball? Anyway, this is the Pattern water sprayer, and I am going to wet my hair. Now, I am sorry that I did not wet it, like drench it. I just didn't feel like it. It's too cold. But anyway, it's wet enough, so I'm just going to continue wetting it and we'll come back with the next product. Just a side note, delivery took about a week to get to me, so not too bad. All right, enough is enough already. Can we please finish? Next product is the jojoba oil from Pattern. I'm just going to put a little in my hand because it says a little goes a long way. So let's go ahead and work this in. Next product is the leave-in conditioner. I like the consistency of it. I like the smell. It is very subtle. It does not drive me crazy. And I love the way that it feels once I put it through the hair. So far, so good. All right, now I'm just gonna comb the conditioner and the oil through my hair. And later on in the video, I do comb the other products through my hair. I just don't show it. But I do this to make sure that it is evenly distributed. And now we're picking her out to go ahead and put the other products in. Next, we're going in with the styling cream. Again, this is what it looks like. I do like the consistency. And I'm just gonna work this product in. Now, I will admit that I probably should have parted sections and put this in section by section. And I'll also admit that my hair should have been a lot more wet. But anyway, don't come for me. I'm trying to learn these curls at this length because you guys know I usually rock short hair. And I'm trying to let it grow out. And it is now at that awkward state, that awkward length. But I'm trying to keep those scissors out. Next, we are going to use the Stronghold Gel. This is what it looks like. This is the consistency. Very thick. I do like that. And these are the trial kits they had on the site. I wanted to just try this out. I didn't want to buy those big old bottles until I knew what we were working with. So I'm just going to work this through my hair. And like I said, I do comb through it and pick it again. I just don't show it, you guys. So let's go. Don't come for my look. It's just about the hair. I'm going in now and scrunching and scrunching and scrunching and scrunching. This helps define the curls a little better. So let's go. It's time to diffuse the hair. I'm using a diffuser and blow dryer from Conair. I am in love. I wish the blow dryer was a little smaller, but hey, we make it do what it's got to do, baby. You hear what I'm saying? So I'm going to diffuse my hair, which is going to take some time. You'll see it a little bit here, but we're going to have to move on because it took quite a while. Because even though it looks like I don't have a lot of hair, I really, really do. I promise you. It is just the light color that makes it where it looks so thin. But you'll see. Just hold on a moment. Hold on to your love. I'll be back. All right, we're giving you a little thumbs up here because it is finally done. Look at the shrinkage, you guys. Do you see this? Lord have mercy. But that's all right. We're going to take this beautiful pick from Pattern and we're going to pick this baby out, making sure not to come all the way through. We're just really trying to do the roots, pull carefully, all right? And I think the curls are nice. Let's just keep going and see what we come up with. All right, so boom, this is it. All picked out. I love the curls. I just wish that they were defined a little more. I love to have my curls very defined. But this is pretty. It's very pretty. I really can't wait until my hair grows out so that I can really rock my curls. But this is pretty. Putting on this headband just to get some kind of look out of it because that awkward length is on my nerves. But anyway, this is what we're working with, you guys. I like it. All right, so price, I give it a 5. Definition, I give it a 4. Smell, I give it a 7. The feel of it, I give it a 7. The moisture is about a 3. So my overall score would be about a 6. But all curly hair is not the same, ladies, so try it for yourself. Thanks for watching.